Welcome and thank you for attending Quest vFoglight demo series. vFoglight bringing clarity and control to virtual infrastructure management. Quest vFoglight provides ease of use, scalability, and flexibility in your virtualized environments, delivers detailed architectural representations and out-of-the-box alerts with expert advice, reduces time and effort required to manage the virtual infrastructure with built-in automation, workflow-based alert remediation, in-context administration. Supports heterogeneous hypervisor platforms including both VMware and Microsoft Hyper-V.
Welcome to the first installment of the vFoglight 6.5 Alarm Remediation and Automation. Today we're going to be looking at how we can solve some of the more common troubleshooting issues with vFoglight and our new workflow automation pieces that have been put into vFoglight 6.5. So the first thing I want to do is go over to my VMware environment and see what is happening. So I'm going to click on Explore under VMware, and this is going to take me to a nice overview of my VMware environment. As you can see, I've got two virtual centers, several data centers, and lots of virtual machines. It looks like I have some virtual machines that have some alarms, and I can see that via the indications just below virtual machines. So why don't we click on these and see what critical alarms I have in my environment. What's happening now is it's going to show me just those VMs that have alarms that are critical. And to the right, I can see that I've got some details about those. In specific, we're going to go ahead and take a look at my SQL Server. It seems that I've got a memory allocation of 4 gig, but it's actually being limited to 3 gig. So let's get a little bit more detail about that particular alarm. So here you can see one of the best practice rules that vFoglight 6.5 shows us around that memory allocation issue. New to 6.5 is we've got this tab called Remediate. So normally when you see this type of an error in your environment, what you'd do is you'd go to the VI client, you'd find that virtual machine, you'd right-click on it, edit its settings, and go look at the limit. This can be very tedious and often impossible in large environments to check on a normal basis. So we have an alarm that will do this for you. The nice thing is, the new addition of this remediation tab allows me to tie in a workflow that I've already pre-created that will actually go back and set the memory for this particular VM to unlimited. So simply all I need to do is click the run button. The system will ask me, are you sure you want to run this remediation task? And I am, so I'll say okay. And now what's going to happen is the system will go off, it will communicate to vCenter and make the change to this particular VM, my SQL Server. And the nice thing about vFoglight is because this rule is checking for a limit, as soon as the limit goes ahead and then changes, this alarm will actually clear itself out, and I'll be able to see that in the audit logs going forward. So I'm going to cancel out of this alarm and go over on vCenter now, and let's check out what's actually happened. So we can see over here that there's been a reconfiguration of the SQL Server, and if I want to, let's go ahead and right-click and go to Edit Settings. And we'll come over to our Resources tab and look at our memory now. And now you can see that the memory's changed to unlimited. This concludes the brief demo of vFoglight 6.5 Alarm Remediation and Automation.
Thank you for viewing today's session. For more information about Quest vFoglight, please visit our website at www.quest.com/vFoglight.